Now, if someone stayed on my site for 10 seconds, that does not convert into a dollar value or a pound value. That they haven't purchased anything from me, but they are valuable to me because I need to make sure that I can attribute or target those audiences again, those who are the most engaged. And how do I find that? It's by putting a value for each of these actions which a visitor takes on my website. So for example, if somebody stayed on my site for 10 seconds, I give them a 1 value point. This is not a currency value. It is just a point scoring system so that I can see which one is better. Another one comes in, stays 30 seconds. I give it to 60 seconds or more. I give it a 4 value point. You can do your scoring system to whatever you like, but I tend to do it like this. Pages per session, 2 or more pages, 1 point, 3 or more, 2 points, 4 or more, 4 points. Video views, same, 1, 2, and 4. And you can do the same thing with scroll. If somebody scrolled down 25%, 50%, 75, or 100, you can give the points and so on. Now let's see which have we got as the most valuable out of this lot. So I've got 3 different visitors to my website: Mr. Orange, Mr. Green, and Mr. Pink. Right. So if this is 1, 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 4. Right. So they stayed on the site for 10 seconds. I give it 1 point. Plus they went on 3 or more pages, 2 points. They also viewed a video, 75%, 4 points. 6, 7, right? Okay, Mr. or Mrs. Green or Miss Green, whichever. 2 plus 1 plus 2, 5. Mr. Pink or Miss Pink, 4 plus 4 plus 1. Now I can straight away see. I'm going to make this a bit bigger for you guys. So you can see from here that out of these 3 visitors to my site, this group of people or this kind of person is the most valuable to me. So when I'm setting up a remarketing audience, I can target to them the most aggressively. So let's say I'm setting up a remarketing campaign. Just make this a bit smaller. Okay. So if I were to remarket to this audience, let's keep it simple. This is how I would do that. So I will bid the least amount for the least engaged, then increase the bid for this lot, and then I'm going to bid the most aggressively for this lot. So you don't waste your money and budget on the least engaged, but still they are engaged. They visited your website. They just didn't quite stay on for longer or take the actions you wanted them to take. And this is how we set up all these goals and set up our remarketing by increasing the probability of conversions by setting up a remarketing campaigns like this.